understanding the word perlite, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting word, perlite. This term may not be commonly used in everyday conversations, but it's quite significant in specific contexts, especially in gardening and industry. Understanding its meaning and use can enhance your English vocabulary, particularly if you're interested in such fields. Let's dive into what perlite means and how it's used. Perlite is a type of volcanic glass. It's formed when obsidian, which is a natural glass, gets hydrated. The interesting thing about perlite is its ability to expand when heated. When perlite ore is heated to a high temperature, it expands and pops, much like popcorn, and forms a lightweight, white material. This expanded perlite is what we commonly refer to when we use the word. In gardening, one of the most popular uses of perlite is in gardening and horticulture. It's used as a soil amendment. Why? Because it helps to improve soil aeration and drainage. This is crucial for plant health, as it ensures roots get the right balance of air and water. In industry, in the industrial context, perlite is used for insulation, as a filter aid, and in construction materials. Its lightweight and insulating properties make it an excellent choice for these applications. Everyday products. You might also find perlite in everyday products like cosmetics or soaps, where it's used for its abrasive properties. Sustainability is a key concern today, and it's worth mentioning that perlite is a natural, environmentally friendly material. It's abundant and doesn't produce significant waste or pollution in its extraction and use. This makes it a popular choice in various industries focused on reducing environmental impact. I hope this video has helped you understand what perlite is, its uses, and why it's important in various fields. Whether you're interested in gardening, industry, or just expanding your English vocabulary, knowing about perlite can be quite useful. Remember, every new word you learn not only enriches your language skills but also opens a window into a new aspect of the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.